Hi dear, how are you? I'm Shakeel Akhtar. So in this gig I'm gonna talk to you about electrical power plant as well as single line diagram. Here is the power plant in which you can see different types of machines and which get the supply from this panel board. This is the connecting box for every machine. We have mentioned the name of that machine and wattage and phases of that machine as well. Here is the elevation of that kitchen. Okay, here is a panel board and which give the supply to all the machines through this connecting box. These are the conduit which is underground. Single line diagram, so in which we have given all the detail about the machine and as well as cable. We have choose the cable for this machine. This is 5 core 16 mm and 31 kilowatt. So here is a breaker for this machine. Here is main breaker for this main panel board. Okay, here is the main cable for this, and this panel board get the supply from the main panel board. Okay, if you want to get the work like this, so please contact me. I will respond to you as soon as possible and you will get the fantastic and professional work. Thank you.